welcome to my dear students. Myself, Kora Pandit, lecturer in mathematics of HMSM Government Polytechnic, Rampurhat. Now today's topic is trigonometry, the basic chapter, the first chapter of this topic, the concept of trigonometric angles, measurement of angles in degree, radian and grade, that is gradient, and their relations. Now, in your previous classes, class 10, you already familiar with this chapter. Still, I am telling you about the name of this trigonometry came from the Greek word, and which means the measurement of a triangle. Therefore, in trigonometry we have to discuss about the sides and the angles of a triangle, and we have to investigate the various relations which exist among them. So first of all, we have to discuss about the trigonometrical angle. Now, from our school life, we familiar with the angle of geometry. In angle of geometry, that start with 0 degree and the maximum value is 360, and that geometrical angle should not be negative, and the geometrical angle should not exceed 360 degree. This is the basic things of the geometrical angle. But in trigonometrical angle, we will get the negative angle, positive angle. Also, there is no restriction of the 360. More than 360 degree also we can get. Now, here I am giving you the idea of this, the concept of trigonometric angles. Actually, in trigonometric angles, we have to take the x-axis and y-axis. Here I taken two figures are there. One is positive angle and this negative angle I given. So one rays of the angle is fixed along the x-axis, and other, the terminal sides can rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now, by our convention, if it is clockwise, then the angle will be negative. That is in the second figure it is given downward. And if it is rotate in anti-clockwise direction, that will be positive. Now I am giving an idea. Just see, x-axis and y-axis is there. Now one side of this angle is fixed along the x-axis here, along the x-axis, and another side that can move. So this is, and that can rotate along this anti-clockwise direction. So this angle is positive angle. But if we rotate from here, from the origin, in clockwise direction here, that should be negative angle. Okay. Now, the main thing is that maybe the two terminal sides coincide together. This is the interesting thing in trigonometry, but their measurement of angles may be different. So here one example is given. Say this is positive 300 degree. Okay, very good, because that rays moved in anti-clockwise direction in the first figure. But if the another rays moved in clockwise direction, say it is 60 degree. Say it is 60 degree anti-clockwise clockwise direction. Say from here here is the line. So line is here, and that move and overlapped with this line. So this is 60, negative 60, minus 60 degree. Minus 60 degree. But another line is there. Already that was in the figure. That is minus 300 degree. Sorry, only 300 degree. Positive 300 degree was there. And it is minus 60 degree. So this type of angles whose terminal sides are same, that is, they lie in the same place, but their angles are different, that is known as co-terminal angles. This idea the students should, you have to clear your ideas, because this is very important. This concept is very important to do the further next chapters. Now, our next part, here the measurement of angles, there are three systems. One is in degree, another one is in radian, and another is in gradient. Now we used the in degree and radian more than the gradient. Now, if this circle we have to divide into 4 quadrants, these 2 perpendicular lines, each quadrant, so these 2 perpendiculars, so I am giving you, this is perpendiculars, and if this perpendicular I am giving again, if this perpendicular I have to divide into 90 equal parts like that, 90 equal parts, this angle, perpendicular angle, I divide into 90 equal parts, then one part is known as 1 degree. And that 1 degree, say assume that this is 1 degree. Assume this is 1 degree, and this 1 degree is divided into 60 parts like that. 60 part. That one part is known as 1 minute. So there is relation, 60 minutes is 1 degree. And again that 1 minute is divided into another 60 parts. And that one part is 1 second. I given the relations here. Now next is gradient. That is, this perpendicular I have to divide in same concept. In place of 90, that should be divided in 100 equal parts. This perpendicular line I have to divide it in 100 equal parts. 100 equal parts. This actually, this angle, this perpendicular angles I have to divide in 100 equal parts. And that one part is known as 1 grade. And if that 1 grade I divide into again another 100 equal parts, then one part is known as 1 minute. And again if that minute is divided into another 100 equal parts, then that one part is 1 second. This is a degree and radian. And another is there, it is in radian. In radian actually it is a circular measurement. Circular measurement. So there is a circle, and if we will take one angle with the, so this is the radius, another radius is there, and this is the arc length. If this radius is r, this radius is also r, and this arc length is also r. So this circular measurement, the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal to the radius of the circle. This is very important. And this angle, say it is, say I am giving you P, O, Q. This P, O, Q or Q, O, P, this angle is known as 1 radian. Okay, so pi radian is 180 degree. Pi radian is 180 degree. Because there is a relation that we can convert it. We can convert it as 2 pi r. Say total. The total perimeter of this circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, that means 1 radian. Actually r subtend, that this r radian, an arc of length r, this is r subtend angle 1 radian. So 1 subtended angle 1 by r radian. So 2 pi r subtended angle of 1 by r into 2 pi r, that is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. So 2 pi radian, again this 2 pi radian is what? The total angle is 360. So 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So pi radian is equal to 360 by 2, that is 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to, very important, you have to remember that. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Not the pi. And radian we have to symbolize by the upper script c, that is pi c. But in pi, that is a numerical value 22 by 7, not is equal to 180 degree. Now here I given the relations among these three measurement system, that is d by 90. Here I given it. I given this relation. D by 100 is equal to D by 90, that should be D by 90, it should be 90. D degree though, D by 90, it should be 90 degree. 90, D by 90 is equal to G by 100 is equal to 2R by pi. And from that easily you can convert it from one measurement system to another measurement system. Here I given some examples, very important, not very important actually, examples that you can do very easily. Now here I given some angles which was given in radian, and that you have to convert into degrees. 2 pi radian, pi by 5 radian, 0.3 radian, 4.2 radian, 0.04 radian. Now one problems I discussed, that 2 pi radian, so radian to degree, that's 2 pi into 180 by pi, just you have to multiply that and you will get the result, this is 360 degree radian. Or pi by 5 into 180 degree by pi, 180 by pi, that will give 360 degree. Now another example I given where the angle is given in radian and we have to given in degree and the grades in gradient, that is. Now one thing is that in the that system, the right angles in the degree, that is called sexagesimal system, and right in the gradient, that is called centesimal system. So here it is given pi by 8, and you know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So that is in place of pi radian we have to put the 180 degree, and then I'll divide by 8, it is 22 degree 30 minutes. Again we know that pi radian is equal to 200 degree, 200 gradient, because the pi radian is 180 degree and 90 degree is equal to 100 grade. So 180 degree is equal to 200 grade. And again by division, 200 grade by 8, that is 25 grade. That's all today session. And now next I'll discuss the next chapter in my next video. Thank you all.